Welcome to the King School Summer Programme. It's a 10-day programme that will allow your child to experience the very best that international education has to offer, and that will give them the chance to stay in one of the most modern and beautifully designed campuses in Shanghai and Shenzhen. The programme is fully staffed by our international faculty, including specialists from our DJI robotics laboratory, English and science teachers from our prep school, and a team of sports instructors from both our prep and our senior schools. One of the main attractions of King's is our DJI robotics and drones programme. Our students will learn how to operate and program robots and drones, how to unlock the potential of AI by exploring visual recognition and problem-solving techniques. Furthermore, we have created a discovery science session to immerse our students in the intriguing and exciting world of science, in which they will work together with each other students, on fun experiments. A big benefit of international education is that children experience how much fun it can be to learn English. Our teachers have designed a special English creations class that takes language learning to a whole new heights by blending linguistic proficiency with artistic endeavours. At King's, sports is as essential as academics. Our sports instructors will lead a range of activities where participants get to try different sports, including golf, swimming, and more. No day is complete without a physical challenge, especially for children. It has long been a King's tradition to value success in both academics and sports. In addition to learning and sports activities throughout the day, every child is well looked after by our in-house boarding team. Daily meals are provided by our 5-star canteen, which serves both Western and Chinese dishes of the highest quality. Fun and engaging evening activities like weekend outings, trips to see Shenzhen are also part of the programme. We are so excited to invite you to join the KSS Summer Programme, where every moment is an opportunity for growth, connection, making lifelong memories. Welcome to a summer school like no other at the King School Shenzhen.